Class 10 Science. I am R.S. Prasad sir. Today the chapter 4, that is the periodic classification of elements. So let us see the question answer of this chapter. So here is the first question. What was the basis of classification of elements done by Lothar Meyer? So that person is. So it will be your answer. So you have to write in your copy. While Lothar Meyer was working on classification of the element on the basis of atomic weights, as you remember, on the basis of atomic weight and atomic volume, his contemporary Mendeleev presented a simpler classification based on the atomic weights and physical and chemical properties of elements. Mayers used the terms periodic function. The function is used by the Lothar Meyer, that is the term periodic function, gave a direction to Mendeleev and helped him to develop his version of periodic table. So that is the basic of the. Now let us see the second question. Write the name and symbol of the first four elements in the group of first and second of Mendeleev. This is the Mendeleev table, and this one is the elements which is given in this table. There is the first five, but in the first group, this one is the elements. First one is hydrogen. You can see here. This one is here, and symbol is H. Lithium, Li. Here is the second element, and the sodium, Na. It has here, and the potassium. This one is here, and this one is the next one is the rubidium. Now let us see the group of second elements. Group second element, that is the beryllium, Be. It is here beryllium in second group. Now symbol is Be. Magnesium, that is symbol is Mg, and it is here. And now third one is the calcium. Calcium is Ca, and which is given here. And the strontium, that's the here strontium. So you can see the four elements in the first group and the second group of the Mendeleev periodic table. It is the Mendeleev periodic table. So let us see the next one. Next one is the question is this. Some space were left empty in Mendeleev's periodic table. Write the name of the elements that were later placed in that group, in this group. So that is the question. So you can write the answer. It is answer given in useful in discovery of the new elements. So the name of this one is Metrium, Dermastrium, and the wrong Rotagnium, that is Rg, and the Copernicum, and that is Cn. And the fifth one is Unutrium, it is UUT, and is the Neptunium, and that is the UUP, and is the Livormorium, it is LV, and it is the Unseptium, it is UUS, and it is the Unnoctium, it is the UUO. So this is the discovery and the gaps which is filled by these elements. So Mendeleev left some gaps in the periodic table. Mendeleev left some gaps in periodic tables. Instead of looking upon these gaps as defect, Mendeleev predicted the existence of the some elements that had not been discovered at the time. Mendeleev named them by prefixing "eka" to the name of the preceding elements in the same group. For example, instance scandium, gallium, and germanium discovered later were called eka boron, eka aluminum, and eka silicon respectively. So let us see the next question. Name two elements whose atomic weights were corrected by Mendeleev. So answer is in your book. Correction in disputed atomic weights. The atomic weights of the beryllium was corrected on the basis of its valency. in Mendeleev periodic table. It was the considered divalent rather than the trivalent. पहले इसको trivalent लिया गया था, बाद में इसको divalent consider किया गया. And the place between the lithium and boron. Similarly, the atomic weight of the element indium, uranium, etc. were also corrected. So this is the answer of this fourth question. Let us see the next one. It is the fifth question. Why were inert gases placed in a separate group? Write the reason. So that one is your answer. The space for inert gas. Inert gas such as helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon, these are the. But neon and argon had not been discovered at the time of Mendeleev. So no space were kept in the periodic table for them. When they were discovered, they were placed in the separate column, which has added to the periodic table as the zero group by the scientist Ramsay. So Ramsay was added to the zero group, and in this group all the inert gases are kept here. Let us see the next one. This one is the question. According to the modern periodic table, the property of an elements are periodic function of what? So answer will be here. Modern periodic law in 1913. According to the modern periodic law, the physical and chemical properties of the elements are periodic function of their atomic numbers. This is the modern law. It is the atomic number, not atomic weight. Now the second, what will be the number of elements in the second period? So that will be your answer. The first three periods are modern periodic tables are known as short periods and have the 2, 8 and 8 elements. But in this question, second period, so second period has only 8 elements. So you have to write this one only answer. Let us see the next one. Can you fix the position of different isotopes of an element in modern periodic table? Yes. So you have hydrogen, and the hydrogen has 3 isotopes, 1s2 and here is 1s3. It is the protium, it is deuterium, it is tritium. But they all have atomic number. Atomic number is equal to 1. So they are placed at one place. So these elements are placed in one place because all elements have the same atomic number, because the table is based on the atomic numbers. Let us see here. The fifth one is if the atomic number of 3 elements x, y and z are 6, 10 and 18 respectively, then which of the elements belong to the same group? So you can do the electronic configuration. It is 2, 4 and what about 2, 10? 10 is 2 and 8, and what about 2, 18? So you have to see here 2, 8 and 8. So first, which of the 2 elements belong to the same group? Same group means outermost orbit have the same electrons. So that means 10 and 18. So you can write here 10 and 18. So that means it is your x, this one is your y, it is y and z. Which of the 2 elements belong the same period? So same period, that the number of orbit, it is first and second. So it is first and second. So 6 and 10 are the in the same period. Same period elements are 6 and 10. So x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 10 have same period, because their orbit is 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So they have the 2 orbit only. So let us see the next one. How will you calculate the valency of an element? Give its electronic configuration. Suppose you have sodium. Sodium has 11. So it is 2, 8 and 1. So outermost orbit have one electron. So valency of sodium is equal to 1. Now what about to chlorine? Chlorine is 17. It is 2, 8 and 7. So it receive one electron to complete their octet. So valency of chlorine is equal to also 1. Now come to the oxygen. Oxygen has 8, so it is 2 and 6. So it has valence electron, that is the 6. So valency of oxygen will be 2 because uh, that element wants two electron to complete their octet. How does valency change when we move down in a group? So when we move down in a group, there is no change in valency because in one group all elements have same valency. So that is the answer you have to write. Let us see the next one. How does the ionization energy change in a group? So let us see. First of all, we want to know what is the ionization energy. The energy required to remove. So always remember that the energy required to remove most loosely held electron from an isolated gaseous atom is called ionization potential or ionization energy. So that is the ionization energy to obtain an isolated atom. Yes, first of the solids and liquids elements is converted into gaseous state, and if the element is in its molecular form, then it is the first broken into its constituent atom. This unit of ionization energy is electron volt. Always remember its unit is electron volt and it is represented like this, electron volt. So that is the ionization energies. Now what happen in this change in group? When we move from hydrogen to potassium, when we move from hydrogen to potassium, along with the increasing the number of electrons, that number of cells also increasing, and so does the distance between the nucleus and the outermost electrons. This is reason why less energy is needed to remove the outermost electron. Thus the value of ionization energy decreases. Always remember, decreases as well as we move down in a group. So that one is your answer. Your answer is very less, but you have to write the reason. First of all, you want to know the ionization energy. So the first you give the definition and then give the region, and region is like here. So you have to write this one answer. Let us see the next one. The physical and chemical properties of the element belong to the same group are similar. Why? So you have to write answer this one. Physical and chemical properties of the elements of a group are same because first one is their electronic configuration is same. हर एक के इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन सेम होते हैं. सेकंड नंबर, द वैलेंसी इज आल्सो सेम, वैलेंसी भी सेम होती है. थर्ड नंबर, प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ देयर ऑक्साइड्स आर सेम. And fourth, all the elements from the same type of hydrides, they form the same type of hydride. So that is the reason in which the group are similar. So let us see the next question. Question number this one. Hydrogen should be placed in which group and which period? Give reason. So that one is your answer. You have to write. Hydrogen is known as Zog elements. Always remember it is called as Zog elements because it tendency to form both anions and cations also, due to which it shows similarity in physical and chemical properties with the group of 17 and the group of first, but it is suitable to place hydrogen in first group because its chemical property resemble with element of the group first: lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, and these are the elements of that group. So it is placed in first and 17 group. So you have to write in group which one? First and 17 group. So that is the answer in this question. Now the fourth: in each of the given pairs, choose which elements will have the bigger atom. Which elements have the bigger atom? Give the reason for your choice. So first one is Mg atomic number is 12 and chlorine atomic number is 17. Who has more atomic number? They have the less size. So in this case, you have to write your answer. Atomic radius of the Mg is bigger. So always remember Mg is bigger as on moving from left to right. In a periodic, atomic radius decreases. Always remember atomic radius decreases on moving left to right. Now come to the second answer, that is the sodium atomic number is 11 and potassium atomic number is 19. It is going to down. Down is going to so increase the number of orbits. So always increasing order. So this one is your answer. So you have to write this one. Size of potassium will be bigger as on moving from top to bottom in the group. Atomic size of elements is always increasing. So the answer will be potassium. So you have to write in your copy. Now come to the question. This one is the atomic number of the three elements A, B and C are 3, 9, 11. Discuss with the region of that chemical properties of which two elements are alike. So answer will be here. Of these elements, chemical properties A, lithium and C, sodium will have the same because both are have the elements of the same group. These are the same group elements because lithium, you have to see lithium, it is 3 and it is 2 and 1. And what about to sodium? It is 11, it is 2, 8 and 1. So in outermost orbit there is one electron in both the cases. So lithium and sodium both have the same. So here the same group. For example, this one, the lithium, whenever react with hydrogen, it gives lithium hydroxide and the hydrogen gas. And when sodium react with water, it gives sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. When lithium react with hydrogen, it gives lithium hydride. And when sodium react with hydrogen, it gives sodium hydride. So elements as lithium and the C sodium react with water and the from strong hydroxide and react with hydrogen to form hydride. So this is the reason. So they are kept in the same group. So let us see in this the question. This was in the question, the atomic number of the three elements 5, 7 and 10 respectively. Which of these belong to group 18? First one is, so element of atomic number 10, it's belong to 18 group. So this one is your first answer. You have to write A here because the electronic configuration is 2 and 8. So its octet is completing. So it is an inert gas element. Now B, what will be? It is A, it is B. Belong to the 15 group. So you have to write here answer B, element of the atomic number 7, that is the nitrogen. So it is belong to 15 group. So you have to see here 2 and 5. So it is 15 group. Now come to the C, element of atomic number 5. So belong to group 13. So you have to see it is 2, 3. So it belongs to 13 group. All these elements are second period. ये सारे के सारे second period में हैं. So you have to write this one also answer because they have 1, 2, They have two orbits, so they have in the same period and the second period. It is the second period. Let us see the next one is now the question 7. A, B and C are the three elements that form a triads. If atomic number of A is 7, so you have to write, and here is atomic number. It is 7, and B is here and C is here. And that of the C is 39. Here is the 39 atomic number. That of 39. Then second, according to the Dove-Reiner's rules, triads, what will be the atomic number of B? So you can calculate atomic number of B. So 7 plus 39 and divided by 2. So this one is, it is 46 by 2. So 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4 and 2 3 ja 6. So 23 is the atomic number or atomic mass. So atomic mass of the element B will be 23. So that one is your answer, and use the triads rule of the Dove-Reiner. Let us see the eighth. The figure shown a part of the periodic table. It is the part of the periodic table. If we move horizontally from left to right, so what will be changes in these? So first one is, how does the metallic character of the elements changes? Metallic character is always decreases. So metallic property of the element is decreases. So it is your first answer. Now second, how does the electronegativity change? So electronegativity is always increasing. So that one is the second answer. And third one, how does the electron affinity change? So this one is the third answer. As you know, electron affinity, generally we move from left to right. In a periodic table, the value of electron affinity increases. So always remember, it is increasing and the decreases when we move down. So if you want to move down, so it is decreases, and when to want to move left to right, so it will be increasing. So that one is your answer of these questions. So you have to write in your copy. So let us see the next one. So that one is the ninth question. And the why did Mendeleev leave gaps in his periodic table? Use an example of illustrate your answer. So this one is your answer. You have to write in your copy. Mendeleev left some blank space in his periodic table. Mendeleev did not consider these blank space as defect. So some such elements discovered were named by using the prefix eka. Later, the elements were discovered, and eka boron and eka aluminum and the eka silicones were the named as the scandium, gallium, and the germanium. So these are the example of illustrate this one your answer. So let us, you have to write. Now the next question, give the tendencies shown by the group property when we go down a group or from left to right in a period in the modern periodic table. First one is valency, second one is atomic size, third one is ionization potential. So one by one we can explain here, so you can write your answer. The right answer is long. So first one is valency. On moving from top to bottom, there is in the group there is no change. Valency of electron is same, but on moving from left to right, here is the moving from top to bottom in a group. So valency element is same. Always remember, it will be same in group, but left to right the periodic and the leave the first increase from 1 to 4 and then decrease from up to 0. That means 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 3, 2 and 1 and 0 also. Now let us see the atomic size. On moving from top to bottom, it is the top to bottom, it is always increasing. The atomic size increases always. Due to increasing sign the number of the cells, but on moving from left to right, it in a period the atomic size is always decreases. So it's remember due to increase in the nuclear chain charges. Now third one is the ionization potential. So it is the ionization potential on moving from top to bottom. In a group, ionization potential decreases. Always remember, ionization potential is decreases. But on moving from left to right, in a periodic, ionization potential increases. Always remember, it will be increases. Like ionization potential increasing on moving from lithium to neon. So that one is the answer. So you have to write. So let us see the next one. It is the fourth, electronegativity. So on moving from top to bottom, it is the top to bottom. In a group, electronegativity decreases always. Remember, whereas on moving from left to right, in a period, electronegativity increases. So the next question, and that is the electronic configuration of an element is B is given as 287, and the forms an ionic compound AB2 with another elements A. What is the valency of A? So name this one. So you have to write this one answer. Name of the element A is sodium, this one, and the atomic number is 11, and the electronic configuration is 2, 8 and 1. Thus the valency of A is 1. So that one is your answer. You have to write in your copy. So let us see the next one. What will be happen in this? The question number 13. So this one is your answer. Comparisons between the arrangement of elements between the modern periodic table and the Mendeleev periodic table. It is the compare arrangement the element of Mendeleev periodic table and the modern periodic table. So modern periodic table is the based on the atomic number, but modern periodic table is arranged on the basis of the increasing atomic number. Position of each element is decided on the basis of its electronic configuration. Always remember, it is on the basis of electronic configuration. It is clearly signifies that the periodicity in the property of the elements, it is 92 elements got position in the table after atomic number 92. Synthetic elements up to atomic number 118, that means 118, are placed in the table. So this is the answer. Now come the choose the correct option. Choose the correct option. First, the position of which of the following element is not fixed in the periodic table. So first sodium, B chlorine, and third is helium, and it is hydrogen. So answer is hydrogen, because hydrogen is first and the 17th group in both the groups. So element in Mendeleev periodic table have been arranged according to. So this one is your answer, increasing order of atomic weight. So that is the Mendeleev periodic table. So the third question, modern periodic table law was proposed by Moseley. The name was Moseley. So let us see the next one. The fourth is, on moving down a group of metallic characters, neither increases nor decreases, it is always increases. The first increases, then decreases, not is correct. The fifth one, which of the following depicts increased atomic size of sodium, lithium and potassium? The first answer is lithium is less than the sodium and then less than the potassium. So you have to write this one. Now come to the sixth, atomic number of magnesium is 12. The number of electrons in M cell of the magnesium. So you have to write here 2, 8, and that is the 2. So it is the 2 electrons. You can see the atomic number. It is the KLM. So you have to write here. This one is the K, L and M. So M has these electrons. So atomic number of an element is 10. Number of electrons in the L cell. So you have to write this one is the 8. So because 10 is equal to 2 and 8. Here is K and here is L. Electronic configuration of an element with atomic number is 19 will be. So 19 you have to write here 2, 8, 8 and 1. So that one is your answer. Now bromide exists in which form? It is in liquid form. So you have to write this one, liquid form. So these are the questions you can do in the copy. ये पूरे के पूरे क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट हो गया। बहुत दिनों से डिमांड थी, इसलिए मैंने इसको बना नहीं पा रहा था, थोड़ा टाइम नहीं मिल पा रहा था। इसके नीचे जो है एक लाल रंग का बटन दिखाई दे रहा होगा, उसको आप लोग सेव करेंगे। इससे पहले एक ये पीरियोडिक टेबल आपको दिखाई दे रही है, ये आप लोग लर्न करेंगे अच्छी तरह से। इसकी बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत पड़ती है बच्चों, इसलिए जितनी कोशिश हो के इसको लर्न करने की कोशिश करेंगे आप लोग। इसके नीचे एक लाल रंग का बटन दिखाई दे रहा है, इसे दबा करके सब्सक्राइब करेंगे और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बच्चों को शेयर करेंगे, जिससे कि वो लोग अपना काम कंप्लीट कर सके, कॉपी का वर्क। थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे। इसी के साथ मैं आर एस प्रसाद सर आज